Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. In a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC, and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A, and tan A. Okay. So, what is given? There is a right angle triangle. Okay, the length of AB is 8 centimeters and BC is 15 centimeters and CA is 17 centimeters. Okay, it is given in the problem. We need to find out sin A, cos A, and tan A. Okay, right. Now, so in a right angle triangle, these are the basic rules. Okay. In a right angle triangle ABC, the side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse, that we know pretty well, right? So, and we need to note that the longest side in a right angle triangle is hypotenuse. Okay. These two are the basic rules of a right angle triangle, right? So, what are those two once again? So, in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse. Okay, and the longest side in a right angle triangle is hypotenuse, right? Yes. Now, what becomes the hypotenuse, which is having the longest length? AC is having 17 centimeters. That's why it becomes the hypotenuse. The angle which is opposite to hypotenuse is nothing but, right angle. That means here the angle is a right angle at B. We have to conclude it. Okay, right. Now, what is given here? AB is 8 centimeters, BC is 15 centimeters, and CA is 17 centimeters, right? And the longest side CA is the hypotenuse, right? It implies that the right angle is at B, right? So, the side opposite to angle A is BC, that is nothing but 15 centimeters, and the side adjacent to angle A is AB, that is nothing but 8 centimeters. Because we need to find sin A, cos A, and tan A. That's why we are taking adjacent sides and opposite sides with respect to angle A. Okay, so the side opposite to angle A is 15 centimeters, that is BC, and the side adjacent to angle A is that is nothing but AB, so 8 centimeters. And we know the hypotenuse CA as 17 centimeters, right? Yes, now. So let us find the trigonometric radius given in the question. So, first sine of A. Sine A, it is defined as the ratio of the length of the side opposite to angle A to the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, so sin A is nothing but, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse, simply. Okay, so sin A is defined as the ratio of the length of the side opposite to the angle. Okay, so here we need to find out sin A. So we need to take the opposite side with respect to angle A. So it is nothing but BC. Okay, and hypotenuse is 17 centimeters, right? So sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite is BC and hypotenuse is 17. Okay, so that is nothing but AC. So BC by AC, 15 by 17. Okay, in the same manner, cos. How do we define cos? So it is defined as the ratio of the length of the side adjacent to that angle A to the length of the hypotenuse. Simply, how can we say cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse? Okay. So here we are taking angle A. Yes or no? So adjacent side becomes AB and hypotenuse is AC. So cos A is equal to AB by AC. So 8 by 17. Okay. Next, tangent of A. We are talking with respect to A, angle A. Okay. So tangent of A is equal to, so it is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So it is defined as the ratio of the length of the side opposite to the angle A to the length of the side which is adjacent to it. Okay, so tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so opposite side is nothing but BC, adjacent side is nothing but AB. Okay, so tan A is equal to BC by AB, that is equal to 15 by 8. Okay, so what was asked in the problem? We need to find out the sine A, cos A, and tan A. Okay, sine of angle, cosine, and tan. So sin A is nothing but 15 by 17, cos A is nothing but 8 by 17, and tan A is nothing but 15 by 8. Okay, right. Sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan A is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so we need to take all these sides with respect to the angle to which we are finding those trigonometric ratios. Okay, right, so we are talking about A here, that's why we have taken like that, right? I hope you understand, right? Thank you. If you understand, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.